This one is Tversky and Kahneman. These guys loved each other. I don't know why there are so many cases named Tversky and Kahneman. It's just like really confusing. Just look at the date of the study and you can remember, but there's no use. Basically, you can use this for biases in thinking, the dual process theory, and thinking and decision making. Basically, in this study, high school students were used as participants, and one group were asked, like one group was called the ascending condition, the second one was the descending condition. In the ascending condition, they were quickly asked to estimate the value of 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 times 8. And the descending condition, it was the opposite. It was 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1.
And in 5 seconds, they were asked to recall, and without, of course, calculating, they needed to think of what the number or the answer could have been.
Yeah.
And we saw that with the ascending order, it was much higher.
No.
Ascending.
Much lower. No.
It was much lower. Yeah, it was much lower than the descending part. Descending is 8 times 7
yeah,
times.
because this is basically the anchoring effect. In the ascending condition, they first saw 1, which anchored them to state a lower answer, and in the descending one, the anchor was 8, which made them
to put it in simple words,
a higher number.
Yeah, to put it in simple words, people just remember the first information that they're given.
Yeah, and then they
base everything
based on that.
Cool.
The researchers found that the ascending group's answer median was 512. You don't have to memorize these numbers, but you can just see the clear difference. And the median for the descending group, the group which saw 8 first, was 2,250.
The actual value was
40,320. You can see a clear difference in between 512 and 2,250. Basically, this just means that if you see something of a lower number, you're gonna base your answer on that and state a much lower number.
The first thing for information you see is what you base everything upon.
Yeah, don't judge a book by its cover.
Which supports the dual process theory, which means system 1 is fast and intuitive, and system 2 is slower and more logical. And we can see that we used system 1, which is fast and intuitive, in this. So the first piece of information which was given, we used that to base the bias answer upon.
And the anchoring bias is one of the heuristics that affects our decision making. Since they saw the lower number first, they answered with a lower number.
Yeah,
that's basically the anchoring heuristic.